The MN4100 communication port is Ethernet, and as you can see, compression gland, and if your Ethernet lead has a plug on the end, as you can see, it doesn't fit through. So what we would have to do is remove the plug at first. So the next thing we do would be to remove the back. So it's just simply Allen key, undo the two screws, back removed. So we would unscrew the nut here, remembering to put it on the cable, most important. If you forgot to do this when you finished, you'd have to redo it again. So then we simply insert the Ethernet lead through the compression gland, like so. And as you can see, the Ethernet socket is here. So now we just slid the strain relief down the cable, and then we just measure 35 millimeters, and then we get the knife and we cut the insulation off. So now we pull the insulation off, and we've got 4 sets of cables. And what we would do is to arrange them in the T568B pattern. That's a straight through pattern. We have the white orange, then we'd have the white green, then we'd have the white blue, and last of all, brown white. So now what we'd do, we'd get the actual cables in the position we need to put them into the plug. So we'd undo them all like so, and then we'd start to get them in the positions required. We've now got the cables here ready in the correct sequence, and we're now going to insert it into the plug. So we've got the cables correct in the correct colour sequence. White, orange, pin number 1, and pin number 1 is here on the plug. So now we put them actually into the plug. Check that all the colours have gone into the correct sequence, into the correct pins, and then you're ready to actually crimp it. So we then just simply put it in the crimping tool, bring up the strain relief on, and now we just simply pull that back, bend this, and plug it into the Ethernet socket on the camera. Now slide the nut up onto the compression gland, tighten up the communication cable. Now finished.